Last one. Focus only on that position at the top of the swing. Okay.
A little heavy, but I still felt what I'm feeling when I feel like it's getting right.
Come over here real quick.
All this right here is good and tight.
Stand over here real quick for me. Okay. For everything that you do on the backswing, there's going to be an action and a reaction because of that. Okay, so when you come down, you're going to do something totally different. So you made the comment that you feel weak and really unorthodox.
Yeah.
Well, you are always trying to find an extension to the target. You're always trying to say, I want to extend to the target.
That's right.
All right, well, if your arms come across like this and your hands are pointed over there, you've got a lot of goofy things that you have to do to hit the ball. So if I'm like this, I'm going to come open and try to extend, and it's going to be a balloon to the right, wide open club face.
Yeah.
Or if I'm like this, I'm going to swing
number
left.
1 Cable Foursome on
Stay
deck.
on my
Number
left.
1
Okay,
Duncan
I'm going to stay on my left
Foursome.
and swing left. Now, when you first started with this club, every shot you took was you were stuck on your left,
Okay.
and you were swinging left, and you said, "There's my miss."
That's right.
Pull cuts. And the last 6 balls, I asked you to just get the club to this position here, and you did not hit one pull cut.
Right.
What does that tell you about that golf position?
Well, I guess that's where the golf position has to be.
It has to be in order for you to extend and get the ball to go out and maybe draw a little bit. That's how it has to happen. It has to be done with this position here. You can't do it from over here because of all the other things that you have to do to reroute the club.
Okay.
Your body then will, if you're trying to hit a draw, you will then hang back and try to flip it over, or you're going to get stuck on your left and hit that pull cut and feel like you can't draw it.
The 2 balls I hit were really good. Okay, what I felt was really good is when I got myself in the right position in the back. What I felt like, this side of my left side felt like it was torquing, and I could feel it torque. Okay, a lot more. So is that something that I should be?
It's going to be a stretch, yes, because
Okay,
when you take your arms up and get over here, there's no stretch.
Well, in those shots there, I don't feel that torque and I don't feel that stretch.
All right,
So is that like maybe something that's telling me you're in the right, that helps me tell me you're in the right?
Yes, if that's what you're feeling, yes. Here's what I want you to show you too, is when the club gets over here and you're extended back here, over here to your right, your weight is over to the right. When the club continues to go up and come over, where's my weight going to go?
Go to my left.
Right.
Okay.
And that's why you feel like you're getting stuck on your left side because of that. Your club's going. And with the longer clubs, the greater momentum and pull you're going to have on that, and the more you're going to get stuck over here.
I got you.
So with the shorter clubs, like with a wedge, you're not going to feel it that much because you're trying to stay centered with a wedge. So it's not that big of an issue. But with these longer clubs, it has to be right here, and your weight's going to be on your right, and then when you come through, everything's going to extend to the target because you were here. The extension to the target is controlled from this position. You can't extend to the target on your bad swing because you're over here like this. You've got that swing, or you've got this.
I got you.
Okay. Good. Give me a couple more. Okay. 3 more. So that's why I said you have to think so hard. And like I said, don't worry about anything else right now. Get to that position. Everything else will take care of itself. And you've played golf long enough that you don't have to worry about